Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be opening lots of Peppa Pig egg surprises and we'll see what more surprises are hidden inside these giant surprise eggs. Lots of great stuff today, so let's get started. Since pink is my favorite color, let's open this one first. Oh, it's a candy cat plush toy and a Squish Dee Lish blind bag. Oh, she's very soft. I like her green velvet dress, her furry face, and pink nose and whiskers. Oh, and her tail. Look at this, so cute. And we can undress her too. There we go. Put her tail back in. There we go. And when you push her belly, she meows. Very cute. Next, the Squish Dee Lish blind bag. This is the series 1, so it's the animals and the food series, and there's a lot to collect. Let's open it. Oh, this is cute. Looks like a panda, a white and orange panda, and she's sleeping on a bed of jello. So squishy and so soft. I love the colors, pink and orange, and the material is very soft too. Seems like there's icing on the jello too. It's so squishy. I could do this all day. So squishy. Now let's open some Peppa Pig surprise eggs from our basket. These eggs contain figurines that you can collect and play with. There are 11 figurines in all to collect. Now let's see what we have inside here. We've got Peppa Pig in a different dress. Oh, that's lovely. And of course, you can move her arms and legs and head, just like the original Peppa Pig figurine. Very cute. We'll put her right here. Let's take the pink one. Pink is my favorite color, so let's see what's inside this egg. I hope we get Peppa Pig's friends. Oh, it seems to be Peppa Pig. Oh no! It's a duplicate. Oh, it's the same one. Oh, but that's alright. We love Peppa. The more the merrier, right? Peppa twins. Let's grab another one. Now let's hope we get a different one. It would be so funny if we get a third Peppa Pig in a row. Oh, it's Rebecca Rabbit. Oh, that's lovely. Huh, she's so pretty in her blue dress, and there's a chick printed on it. And her bunny tail, her round bunny tail. Adorable. We'll put her right here, close to her friend Peppa. Now let's see what we have inside this one. it? It's Pedro Pony! Oh, isn't he adorable? With his black glasses, his yellow jumpsuit with a blue egg. Oh, and his ponytail. Just adorable. Very cute. 2 more to go. I just love the scalloped edges on these eggs. Just lovely. Oh, it's Peppa Pig. Oh, but it's a different dress. She's in a different dress. It's a yellow flower on a red dress. Just in time for spring. Oop! Very pretty. And a pigtail. Very cute. Oh, and this is our last egg. I wonder what we'll get. Oh, it's Rebecca Rabbit. We've got a duplicate. We've got 2 Rebecca Rabbits. Very adorable. We'll put her right here. So, we have 1 Pedro Pony, 2 Rebecca Rabbits, and 3 Peppa Pigs with 2 different dresses. There's more surprises in here. Wonder what's inside these beautiful Peppa Pig pink boxes. Oh, it's jelly beans in every color. I just love jelly beans. They're so good. I've got my jelly beans checklist here. Blue one's nice. Now let's see what I'm gonna have today. Not the Bean Boozled one. Oh, those were awful. Let's say the green apple one right here. Alright. Now which one is the green apple one? This one or this one? I think that one is the lime one. I'll try this one. Looks like green apple to me. Yes, it is green apple. It's really good. Let's clear the way for more surprises. What's inside here? Oh, Lego blocks. Oh, nice color. These are actually candy Lego blocks. You can play with them and then eat it afterwards. You can build just like regular Legos. And the best part is that you get to eat them afterwards. Ingenious. This one here. Put this one here, right here. It doesn't want to hold. Oop. The yellow one here. There we go. Put it right here. It smells so good. It smells really sweet. And the last Peppa Pig box. Wonder what's inside. Eggies! Oh, it's falling everywhere. These are really good. They're actually chocolate eggs covered in candy shells. And they look like dinosaur eggs. Really good. I love these candies. So many candies here, guys. It's everywhere. Let's open the green one. It's Zoe Zebra in her blue train buggy. Lovely. I love the yellow star and the lights on the sides. Let's see how fast it can go. Now what's in the blue one? It's Richard Rabbit in his red dinosaur buggy. Very cute. It's a Triceratops red buggy, which also happens to be his favorite toy. Very cute. Now let's see how fast this one can go. Whoop! Whoop! Sorry, Peppa. No harm's done. Next, I want to show you this book. It's Peppa's Easter Egg Hunt. It's a lovely book with lots of bright colors. It's about Peppa and her friends going egg hunting on Easter Day. It's a beautiful book and a great book to read. Next, we've got an adorable Peppa Pig beauty accessory set. Oh, these are lovely. Pretty. So we've got two heart-shaped rings. Love the color pink. Two hair clips, blue and yellow. Such bright colors. Also, we've got 8 hair ponies. One pink bow and a bracelet. Oh, it's so nice. I just love bracelets. This one's really lovely. I'll be wearing it for sure. I love the colors. Well guys, we're not quite done yet. We still have one more egg to go. Wonder what's in here. It's Susie Sheep, Peppa's best friend. And she bleats when you press her belly. She's so soft. Look at her tiny hands. I like her velvet dress. And her fluffy tail. Very cute. Of course, you can undress her. Her fluffy tail. Very adorable. We've got Hershey's Kisses, Party Edition. I love the pink bag. Let's open this so we can have more chocolate. Woo! Well guys, we discovered lots of cool toys and awesome things today. Tell me, what is your favorite? You can write it in the comment section below. Hi everybody! If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to see more fun videos like this. and tap that bell so you won't miss the thing. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Bye. Bye. Bye everybody.